This is a video of an overview of our fill system at the bin end, and we're just going to touch base on the various components, and then we'll talk a little more later about actually installation, but we'll highlight some of the guidelines that you'll want to keep in mind. Some of the pieces from the collar of the bin down to our upper transition, it's all normal bolt ups. This is a clear upper transition. We go to our lower boot, and on the lower boot there's a slide mechanism for shutting off the feed. It should be on the top side as is shown. We also want to have an attachment to our auger to the actual anchor bearing. This is the assembly. The attachment is done here with the nut or screw being on this side so that you've got room to get at it to make that attachment to the auger. We'll have an actual video on doing this. When that's done, the stretch that is put on the auger itself is pulled out 2 inches for every 50 feet of length that this piece goes in. We also wanted to just note there's the cover that normally would go here. It's a simple piece. The attachment to the pipe. We have one transition being shown up here. When the pipe transitions, we want to the next piece. We want to make sure that the joint, the glue side, is down, so that if moisture runs down that, it's not going to go into the glue joint and potentially get inside the feed line. The feed line, as it's run out, this one with perspective of the bin itself is going a left-hand turn into the building. The preference is for a right-hand turn. There's a little bit less wear because of the way the auger turns. And of course, straight in is perfect. So those are just a few of the things as an overview of the system.